Okay, we're going to do a demo right now for the Alumni Agency.
Hi, you have reached Blue Shirt Media. How can I help you today?
Yeah, hi. I'm interested in finding out about the Alumni Program.
Our alumni program is all about keeping you connected with a supportive recovery community. We offer regular in-person and virtual meetings, workshops on relapse prevention, and personal growth events. Plus, there's ongoing support from our clinical team and opportunities to connect with others in recovery. Would you like more details about upcoming meetings or resources?
Tell me about the recovery meetings.
Recovery is a journey, and it's all about finding the right support and resources to help you along the way. Our program offers a community of people who understand what you're going through, with meetings, workshops, and personalized support. It's about building connections and having a network to lean on when things get tough. Is there anything specific you'd like to know or explore further?
What if I'm thinking about using or getting high?
It's really important that you're reaching out. Thinking about using can be tough, but it doesn't mean you failed. It's a part of many people's recovery journey. We have support options like counseling and outpatient care to help you through this. Would you like me to connect you with someone from our clinical team for more
What,
personalized guidance?
what would it cost me?
The cost can vary depending on the type of support or services you need. It's best to discuss this with our admissions team, who can provide detailed information based on your specific situation and any insurance coverage you might have. Would you like me to connect you with them?
What if I wanted to come back to treatment?
If you're considering returning to treatment, that's a brave and positive step. We can definitely help you explore your options and find the right program for you. Would you like me to connect you with our admissions team to discuss
N-
this further?
no, I just don't know. Do you take insurance?
Yes, we do accept insurance. Our admissions team can help you understand what your plan covers and guide you through the process. If you ever decide to explore this further, just let us know. Is there anything else on your mind right now?
Yes. Can I talk to the? How are the admissions people nice?
Absolutely. Our admissions team is friendly and understanding. They're here to help you every step of the way, answering any questions you have with care and compassion. If you'd like to speak with them, just let me know.
What about detox?
Detox is an important first step in the recovery process, and we offer medically supervised detox programs to ensure safety and comfort. Would you like more information on how our detox program works?
No, I'll call back. Okay, there it is. A treatment call. After each call, there's a video. There's a text transcript of each of the whole conversation, and still have to tweak the ending a little bit, but you get the general idea. If you have any questions, reach out.